Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, what we're gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna replace this seat and the little cover for it. See, it's already torn there, but the main reason is this thing's flat. Do you see on this thing? I'm hitting metal, so when I sit, you know, your butt's just sitting on the metal. It doesn't feel very good. Also, you kind of feel like if you're sitting at a slant, you feel like if you're, one side's higher than the other. So this should be pretty easy. All you have to do is take off one screw here, one screw there. You got two screws here, and that's it. This is going to come off, and then we're going to be able to access this foam that's coming already out through here. Yeah, should be about a 15-20 minute install. All right, y'all, so just like that, very easy, very simple. It took two screws to remove this, and then the handle. And I had just this, oops, I had this one little screw in it here, nothing crazy. So when it exposes this, look, you can already, so all this is from this cushion that's under here. This is why this is so flat and flimsy here. Look at this thing. So underneath here, you're gonna have 4 clips. There's gonna be a clip right here. I want to say another clip right here. The same for the both other sides, and then you'll have the one clip under here. What I'd recommend is raising this all the way up to the top, both ends. That way you can stick your hands up under there and be able to unclip it. I wish I could show you guys, where the clips are. It's gonna be a little tough, but let me see. So you can see it's kind of, it's stuck back there. That's it right there, that black clip. So you could do it with your hands. You can get yourself a flathead, and yeah, just pop them all out. Let me get them all out really quick, and let me show you what the seat looks like. All right, y'all, that wasn't too bad at all. So you're gonna have these clips on the bottom here, attached to the metal. That's what you're gonna pull off. But this is what I was talking about. Look at that. So this is what I was sitting on, and I had to get this fixed because, man, this was horrible. Riding around, I tell you, sitting all lopsided and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and pull this off. I got a replacement off of Amazon. So yeah, hopefully everything fits. I do think that I'm gonna have to cut out like the little square, the little notch right here on the cushion. Not too big of a deal. I am gonna have to come back in here though and vacuum all this mess up. This is Hey everybody, so I'm back. I went ahead and vacuumed up as best as I could there. But what I'm noticing is this is what's causing this cushion to crack. This is sharp. If you could see this, it has a sharp edge, and these are the weldings, where they have it. I found this up in the garage here. I got like some Velcro, and it's kind of thick. It's just some thick Velcro. I'm thinking of cutting some pieces. I don't know if it's best to do it long ways. Maybe cut a few shorter ones and do it this way, but I do want to cover this. I want to block this off so that way it doesn't dig into the new cushion, because I don't want to have to be, replacing this every year, every 2 years or something like that. So hopefully this works. All right, everyone, so I went ahead and added this on. Feels pretty good, but it's really sticky. So I added, some of this backing back on there just so, it's able to move a little bit. I guess it'd be fine if it's stuck on there, but I don't know, just gives it a little extra slip. I don't know that I have to go all the way up here, although you can see this should have been like grinded down or something from the factory. And I guess if I had a metal grinder, it would have been worth shaving this down so it's leveled. You see, it's off. But yeah, sun's about to go down on me. So you can see up there, it's starting to come down. So I need to go ahead and pop in the seat really quick. Let me show you how it goes back in super fast. It's just gonna be the cushion coming in through the top. We're gonna slide it in, and I have everything actually right over here already. So that's the old one right there, and then I've been vacuuming. Got the little red devil out. Here's the new one here. So this one, like I said, guys, it came with the cushion already. It's got the handle cut out, but I do think that I need to make the cutout on the side here for the electronic, the movement of the driver's seat. So while I'm here and under here, I decided that I'm going to go ahead and lubricate these railings, these tracks, because I was trying to clean them up, and I'm probably gonna clean them up a little bit more before I spray this on there. But I got me some of this WD-40, this white lithium. If you notice, I don't know if you could hear it through the camera, but this has a little squeak. You hear that? And you can see that's what's turning right there. You see all that gunk and crap that's in there? So I'm gonna try my best to clear that out really quick. Then I'm gonna spray some of this lithium grease. Don't use regular WD-40. Whatever you do, don't use that. The thing's gonna screw your gears up. Don't do that. Get yourself, it has to be this white lithium grease. And yeah, spray it right into the railings here. See, you wanna try to get all this crap out, but spray it through here. That way you get that smooth slide, that back and forth slide. So let me give it a shot. Let me clean this out a little bit more. Let me show you how the seat goes in, and we'll call this a wrap. All right, y'all, so the seat is on. Everything went in perfectly. Everything's aligned. Looking good. I mean, obviously it's new, so you are gonna see a little difference in the color. I mean, this one looks a lot darker. It's a little bit dirty up there, but another thing is that they don't cut out these holes for you. So you're gonna have to go ahead and get yourself that old trusty razor blade and make your marks, because you need to cut this back out. You know, you gotta fit this under there. Then you also need this one for the chair to go back here. Right here, it's right there. You can see it. Let me show you how it came out though. Looks pretty good. Let me show you this other end, the back side, which I think is a little bit more noticeable, because if you see that other end and even the back of that, let's see, it looks, and then you see the back of this one here. So I mean, yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, you don't want that leather showing either. So it is what it is, but hey, at least it's new, and you know, my butt's not gonna be hurting trying to sit on this thing now. So it's, you know, more elevated. Yeah, it's good. So thanks for watching, you guys. Next little fix is probably gonna be the middle console here. I can't stand this. This is annoying the hell out of me. But hey, thanks everybody for watching the video. If you like what you saw, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.